This is the streets. This is
Road Warriors. Custom Diecast Racing.
Welcome back, Road Warriors. Battle 17 is upon us. On the outside is Mad Mike on 9 points, driving for NZ Racing. On the inside is Lucas on 11 points for Justin A350. Mad Mike for NZ Racing taking the first line honours here in Battle 17. Let's go back and have a look and see how Lucas choked coming out of turn 2. Oh, we just got hung up on that inside rail. Both cars holding up well considering we're at Battle 17. A battle right down to the wire, and Lucas takes this one, squaring up this first race out of Battle 17. This is what I love about this track. Look at these guys fighting it hard right onto the line. I love it. 15 against 17. James Kirk on the outside in the flying brick, going up against Hot Car Track and his home track and that 99 Holden. Let's get into this race. James Kirk crossing all by himself. Hot Car Track in serious trouble going into turn 1. Let's have a look at it. Just clips the back of James Kirk in that flying brick and he's gone, out, done and dusted. James Kirk's coming in at 104 grams. Hot Car Track is 55 grams. Congratulations to James Kirk. Oh, when he's up and over off the side of the track. Let's go back. Oh, Hot Car Track here, made it down the bottom, mate. Bit of a scrappy driving situation up the top there. James Kirk coming in backwards. Next up, Warpick 76 on 16 points. Payne MD on 16 points for KLCH Racing. 64 grams versus 80. All his Warpig had to do was just crawl across the line, and that he has in a 12.440. Times are getting slower. Oh, a bit of scrappy driving up the back again, and Payne MD's flipped over, and that's not a good position. Both these teams are 7 points behind Blue Line, who is currently leading the comp. Good solid racing there by Payne MD around Mount Western Raceway. Look at that late charge there by Warpig 76. Warpig just has a bit of trouble going into turn 1. Payne MD swinging through. Tito Racing currently outright third on 21. Redline on 16. Having a few issues with steering. Tito Racing's in fine form. Let's get rolling. Oh, nice little show off there by Tito racing across the line, getting two wheels up in the air. Tito having the advantage here, going out hard and fast into turn 1. Redline struggling to get any power out of that turn 1. The 29 crew cab weighing 117 grams, one of the heaviest. My calculations are Tito Racing getting the double, puts him on 23, so he's right in front with Blue Line Racing. Wow, let's have a look at the replay. Tito, right down the back on the outside, picks a perfect line, look at that. Up at the start gate on the outside, Metal Mania 3D on 16 points. On the inside, Po Boy Racing on 19 points. 83 grams versus 102. Another great battle, however, it's Po Boy Racing who just gets right in front of the welly, driven by Metal Mania 3D. Savage blocking there, Po Boy Racing, and that's what you got to do to take a win out here in Road Warriors Season 3. Po Boy looking for those big double points. No need to look any further, Po Boy. That will put you into outright third place on 21 points. Unfortunate for Team Metalmania 3D with this savage blocking there by Team Po Boy Racing. Only 10 grams between these two cars. The Slick is weighing 78, going up against the Mini Challenge weighing 68. It's 19 versus 5. Crazy Canuck needs a win. Let's cheer him on. DJ Triple J just gets across. Look at the time, a 9.840, not too bad. He's carrying those black fire tyres, which really helps him get across the track. What happened to Crazy Canuck? Oh, he's just spun out, going backwards, and there's a big flip and roll over. Maybe the Mini Challenge needs some black fire tyres to keep him a bit more stable around those turns, because he does have the pace. That's what the crowds have come here to see. That was a fantastic battle, almost down to the wire. Let's go back and have a look at that. Look at the bounce back there by DJ Triple J. Crazy Canuck really putting the pressure on Triple J here. Oh, almost taking him on the corner. Mark D from Australia in Turbo Fire on 19 points. On the outside, the Huff 2D's driving this, also on 19 points. These cars are really well built, suited for this track. Oh, the pressure's on at Battle 17, but Cut Rock Racing takes this one out of turn 2. Let's go back and dissect this replay. 2D in the Huff really swinging down low, just hits that sidewall and just, oh, he does a rollover as well. Not enough to get past Cut Rock Racing. Look at the time, ladies and gentlemen, a sub 9 seconder, an 8.960, and a bounce back almost up towards the garages. Let's go back and look at this. Both cars really pushing towards that front turn. Hey, look at this. Oh, I love that line they take. 13 against 15 points. It's Chuck's Garage on the outside going up against TJ Gonzo for Arlo Racing. There's only 1 gram difference between these cars. Fantastic battle right down to past turn 2. TJ Gonzo takes line honours though. Let's go back and look at Riverton. He was really pushing hard down low and just not enough juice and hits that sidewall. Oh man, unfortunate for Chuck's Garage. TJ Gonzo taking this one home in a 9.840. Wow, that was close. That was almost on the line. Chuck's Garage, what happened, mate? You choked. Oh, I just lost power. A Jaguar versus a Range Rover. Crazy Jordan for Hot Wheel Boys on 11 points. Jack Sparrow for Team Puerto Rico Racing, sitting comfortably on 15 points. Jack Sparrow either showing off or he's lost his steering. Let's go back and have a look at this. Where's Hot Wheel Boys? Oh, he's right up the back. Look at this big spin out here. Oh, Jack Sparrow, you're showing off to your fans, mate. Well done. Jack Sparrow taking this one out, and I feel sorry for Hot Wheel Boys. They've got a really fast car now in the Jaguar, but it's just not performing well in this season. What's going on with it? Has a nice line there, but just not enough power to get through turn 1. Here's your current leader, Blue Line Racing, right out front on 23 points, going up against Lily the Dog in 17 points. Lily weighs in at 56, Blue Line at 118. Lily the Dog taking this one out, Blue Line taking his frustrations out. I feel for you. You really needed that point. Look at this. Look at the line that Lily the Dog takes. What a sensational built car this is. Blue Line Racing on the outside, looking for a point. Lily the dog does the double. Unbelievable. Blue Line comes out of this battle with no points at all. He's still out front on 23. We have to wait and see what happens to Variant Skunkworks. Mapelli in the Lamborghini, the yellow Lamborghini, on 9 points for Cloak After Dark Racing. Variant Skunkworks currently sitting on 22 points and hoping to get the big double to put him right out front. I think that's the fastest time tonight, an 8:8:40. Variant Skunkworks gets 1 point. That puts him on the 23 at the moment, in line with Blue Line Racing and also Tito Racing, all out front on 23 points. Nice line that Variant Skunkwork takes out the back there. Marco Mapelli having a mess of a race tonight, and there's Variant Skunkworks bringing home the 2 points. That surely will put him right out front on 24 points, ladies and gentlemen. The Evo, the mighty Evo, does it again. Here's your leaders board. Variant Skunkworks picking up those double points, puts him on 24, Tito on 23, Blue Line on 23, Power Drive 21, Po Boy 21, Cut Rock 20, 100 Proof 20, Isle of Dog 19, Fractal Panda 19, Arlo Racing on 17, and there's the rest of the field as we scroll through. A bit of moving and grooving out of battle 17. Only a few more battles to go. And your fastest time is held by your current leader, Variant Skunkworks and Naked Evo, an 8:7:60. Well done, Variant Skunkworks. You must have quite a few of those under your belt at the moment. Here's your first stack of the night. This is Pain MD going up against Warpig. Look at this. Oh, just clips the side of the track. Rolled over, and there's Warpig helping him down. Good on you, mate. And the next one is Crazy Canuck. Nice little roll over. Oh, look at him go. Well, that's a wrap for tonight, folks. So until next week, I'll catch you later.
This is the streets. This is
Road Warriors. Custom Diecast Racing.